Good morning, students. So in this video, I am going to present to you the preparation of marketing plan. Okay, so we shall begin. So here is the brief outline of a mini marketing plan. So first part is the executive summary. Okay, so what is in the executive summary? I will later explain to you the how to make an executive summary. So the second part will be the study background, and then this consists of this brief history of the company, and then the mission and the vision, and product and service offerings. The third part is the macro environmental analysis. This consists of the analysis of your economic, political, legal, socio-cultural, demographic, and the technological. So I'll be explaining this later on. Okay. And the fourth part is the opportunities and threats. And we also have the fifth part, which is the micro environmental analysis. Okay. So here, the company, the suppliers, your marketing intermediaries, the customers, your competition, and the publics. And we have the part six, which is the strength and the weaknesses. And the seventh part is the market, no, the market size, the market needs, the market trends. And the part eight will be your marketing objectives. And then the part nine will be the marketing strategies, which includes the product or service strategy, the target market, the brand positioning, and the pricing strategy, distribution strategy, and the advertising and promotion strategy. So notice that this is the four piece of marketing: the product, the price, the distribution or the place, and the promotion or the advertising. And then the part 10 will be the tactical implementation. The part 11 is the marketing budget, and the part 12 is the feedback and control, and the part 13 is the financial projection. So in this video, I am going to present to you the executive summary and the study background only. So the preceding part will be discussed on my following videos. Okay, so we have here the first part, which is the executive summary. So this contains the vital information of the plan in a very concise manner. Okay, this includes your objective, your strategy, your marketing budget, and your projected sales and profitability. Okay, so since it is a summary, executive summary, it can only be composed, it can only be written, no, after the marketing plan is completed. Okay, so usually it is no longer than one or two pages. Okay, that is the executive summary. So on the following slide, I have here an example. Okay, so the first paragraph is the objective. Okay, so my business is the Echos Bulaluan. Okay, so Echos Bulaluan begins around with a strong belief that providing nutritious and delicious dish can impact positively to the health and productivity of an individual and to the customers where it caters. So this is my objective. Okay, so the second paragraph of the executive summary will be the strategy. Okay, so this is our strategy. So the business will launch its first branch at Porok 1, Natulungan, Kibawi, Bukidnon. So its strategic location will also accommodate travelers, passers, students, teachers, and the entire community, since it is located along the highway near the public market. So to encourage customer loyalty, repeat buyers shall avail discounts and freebies. So this is my strategy. Okay. And then next is the marketing budget. Okay, so we have here and the continuation, no, the third paragraph of the executive summary. So the initial budget of 300,000 pesos will suffice all costs and expenses that will be incurred during its initial operation. So daily monitoring of sales will help discern that the chosen tactics or strategies are successful. Okay, so the next part will be the projected sales and profitability. So that is in my fourth paragraph. Okay, so the projected daily gross sales will be 15,000. Projected ito, okay? Because this is just a plan. Okay, so there will be two staffs needed in the operation who shall receive a monthly salary of 3,000 each. Okay, excuse me. So the owner here shall manage the operation and monitor sales, and the gross daily sales shall be deducted with cost of sales, and its net sales will be added to the budgeted capital. Okay, so that is just an example, no, of an executive summary, but this varies, okay, according to the type of business or type of marketing plan that you are writing or you are doing. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, so the second part is the study background. So the first part is the executive summary, and then the second part is the study background. So here, you are going to write a brief history of the product. So we have here an example on the next slide. Okay, this one. This is an example of a brief history of a product. Our product here is the Echos Bulaluan. Okay, so the product idea started when the owner was craving for a bulalo and there was no restaurant in the area selling bulalo. Okay, so the owner thought of starting up a food business, which is the Echos Bulaluan. So the bulalo could satisfy and hydrate people, added with vegetables as its ingredients. Thus, a complete meal can fill customers' hunger. So this is just a brief history of the product. Okay, so that is the letter A, no, of our study background. So now we go to the letter B of our study background, which is the mission and vision. Okay, so the mission, we shall know these terms. The mission statement is a definition of the company's business, who it serves, what it does, its objectives, and its approach to reaching those objectives. So that is the mission. Okay, so the vision naman, the vision statement is a description of the desired future state of the company or the product. Okay, so I have here an example. Still in the Hechos Bulaluan, so the vision there is to be the leading bulaluan in the province of Bukidnon. So very short and concise. This is our vision, which is our desired future state. Okay, so my desired future state will be I will be the leading bulaluan in the province of Bukidnon. Okay, now we go to the mission. Okay, the mission is who it serves, what it does, its objective, and its approach to reaching those objectives. So this is my mission of the company or the product, no? So we exist to provide nutritious bulalo, cook with passion, and serve through excellent service. Absolute customer satisfaction is our highest priority. Okay, so this is the mission of the Echos Bulaluan. Okay, so until here, so on my next discussion, I will be talking about the letter C, which is the product service offerings, and then and so on and so forth. No, the macro environmental analysis. Okay, and that will be followed by the We have the this one, the opportunities and threats, and then the micro environmental analysis, and then the strength and weaknesses, the market, the marketing objective, the marketing strategies, the tactical implementation, the marketing budget, feedback and control, and financial projection. Okay, so I will be explaining this on my next video. Okay, so that would be all for now, and thank you so much for listening.